Good morning. Um, I I made a video putting down my floors. And I'm getting ready to do my cabinets. My cabinets going all along this wall, and then I'm going to have a bar that's going to come out here. And these are my cabinets in the boxes. That's the Chinaman cabinets. You buy them from the Chinaman place, and they come in these boxes. All you have to do is just put them together, like the furniture you buy at Walmart and such. You know. So this is one. When I put them together, I take the doors off. It makes it a lot easier to put together. And all they have is these little clips. They just clip in, has a male and female. And you just clip them together, you know. You got some here. So I got a few of them put together, and get them all together and start putting them up. Okay, I got all my cabinets put together. Yeah, all these here. And then tomorrow start installing them. Going all around here. So, ready to rock and roll. Good morning. So, got all the area cleaned out for our cabinets. And you're gonna start laying them down. Got my chalk line popped. Right here. You put baby powder in your chalk line. That way, in case you want to wipe it off, it comes off real easy. If you use regular chalk line, then it's real hard. You got to paint over it, all kind of crap. So just use baby powder, and always start from your corner and work out. That way you make sure you're not over, you know. So. Okay, here we go. Installing my cabinets. Already got two of them up. When I put in my cabinets, I like to take the doors off. That way they're out of the way and makes the cabinets a lot lighter. I try to preset my screws. That way when I put it up, the screw is already there. And I use this little T-brace whenever I put them up. For example, my cabinets, they're 54 1/4 off of the floor. Usually I make my T-brace like 56 inches long. That way I jam it up under it like this. Jam it there. And that'll hold the cabinet while I put it up. Okay, come on. Okay, I lost the screen. Put it up. All you're gonna do is just set it on there.
Indianapolis has come up with another benefit of recycling. It helps her to raise money for employee costs. Hi, and welcome to Tuesdays. Hi, I really appreciate it. Called Danielle.
Put a clamp, make sure it's even. Put a clamp on it real quick. Hold it in place. And you can put a screw in there. There we go. Trying to get one at the bottom. So between that screw and that, I'll hold it up, and that's how you put it up. Okay, this is where I'm at so far. I got these up here. Microwave going here. I got another one to put up here. It's going to be over my refrigerator. And then a big tall cabinet, like a pantry cabinet. But when I'm putting my cabinets up, I like to use these screws, the ones with the big head, to screw them to the walls. And then I like to use these that has practically no head. And to screw them together, I clamp them together real tight. And now all you see is just a very little hole, you know. So I clamp them together to where you don't have any kind of gaps, and screw them together, you know. Okay, here we go. Got all my top cabinets up. They're all finished. That's where my microwave and stove is going. I got my refrigerator in. Pantry cabinet. Still got to put a filler piece on that. And I get ready to do my bottoms. I got to fix that, take that out, because my drain is going over here. So I'll get rid of that. My sink is going there now. So looks good. Alright, here we go. Got all my cabinets in. There's my bar. There's all my cabinets. That stove, that's just temporary. I'm going to put a regular stove in there. And I'm going to pick up my plywood. Put my plywood down on top. And next weekend I'll do my granite. And I'll also make a video on that. I just finished putting the plywood on my cabinets. On top of the cabinets. Got it all in. I cut my plywood to where my joint is over here and not here, because when I put my granite, I'm going to have a joint along here. So I don't want to grind it and the plywood to have a joint in the same area. So I kind of L-shaped it. Put a piece here. You know, that way it'll be stronger. But there's the cabinets. Those are up. Next video is going to be about installing my granite. So have a good day. Okay, put my sink in place. Just for right now, till I'll take it back on. I'm gonna put my granite. Then I'm going to put mirrors. After I do my granite, I'm going to put mirrors all along here. Coming all along here to the stove. We're going to get a different stove than that in this house before we sell it. And this is the bar, 8 feet long. So came up pretty nice. Oh, I like it. So I gotta put my crown and all that up, tie up a few loose ends, and should be ready to go.